Farida and Shamai. Hello and good morning. My name is Joe and today I'm going to be showing you how to do pirouettes in the centre. But before we begin, please make sure that you've read our safety disclaimer provided on all social media platforms and our website, that you're wearing comfortable fitting clothing with suitable footwear such as ballet shoes or socks, and that you're warm. You can do this by running on the spot, or even better, tuning into some of the other dancers' tutorials on the YouTube channel. So I'm going to do today's tutorial in two parts, first focusing on the legs and then the arms. So we're going to start the exercise in fifth position in quasi. I'm going to demonstrate it on the left leg, but you can do it on the right if you want. So we're going to start by posing onto the front leg into fifth position on releve in a tight position. Then we're going to plie, and then we're going to lift the front leg into retire to do a little course turn and then close it behind. Then we're going to step on the leg that we just picked up in retire to go en arrière. Then we do a plie, and then we do a retire and bring it to the front. Then we continue to step onto the same leg and we go en avant, plie, retire, passe to fourth, plie, and a single pirouette to then go the other side. So I'm now going to show you the arm positions for each movement in the exercise. So we begin the arms when we start in croisé with the arms in bras bas. As we step up to fifth position en avant, the upstage arm is going to come into first position and the downstage is going to come into second to form third position. Then as we plie, they're going to swap, and then as we do the quarter turn, they come into first. Then as we step en arrière, the upstage arm is going to come into third again with the downstage in second. Then on the plie, they're going to swap into the other third position and then first to do the turn on to don. Then as we step en avant, they're going to come into a second position, and then as we plie, the arm of the same leg that you're going to lift into retire passe is going to come in front, and then as we do retire passe, they're going to come into first position to open into that same third again, and then as we turn, they're going to come into first position and then open demi-bras, then bras bas, ready to go again. So there are two versions of this exercise you can do. The first version is all balances until you get to the last preparation in fourth, and you can do a single turn here. Or the second version is to do all turns, and then in the last preparation from fourth is to do as many turns as you want. I'm going to show both versions with the music, and the music is by David Plumpton and it's Havana. One of the things that I like to imagine is that the front arm is a mouse and the back arm is a cat, and as you open them, the cat is trying to chase the mouse, bringing them into a close, compact first position. It's also really important that you make sure that you keep the spinal alignment, so you don't want to stick this out or arch the back or have the head behind like this, otherwise it's really going to affect your balance. And also doing a retire position, as Robbie demonstrated brilliantly the other day, you have to make sure that it's at the side of your knee, like this, and that the foot is not sickled like this or anything, and you really project the heel forwards while maintaining the turnout as well. Another really important thing to think about is spotting. So you don't want to have the head coming around like this, otherwise if you're doing a number of turns, like in the second version of the exercise, you're going to get really dizzy really quickly. So it's best to imagine focusing on one spot and then whipping the head around to focus on one spot and whip the head around and it stops you from getting dizzy. So I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and hopefully you learned a bit more about doing pirouettes and turning. Make sure that you continue to watch out for all tutorials on the Ballet Cymru social media platforms. Just join in, have fun, try something new, and don't be afraid about getting wrong, because we just want you to be happy, have fun dancing, and most of all remain positive. So I hope you're all keeping safe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.